No, so no one showed up to my class. I'm actually really excited. I got everything. All right, let's go shopping. Hi guys. Okay, so here we are now. We're about to start, but first I need to go get some batteries for this little toy that I've had for a really long time. If I can find the link, I will put it in the description box for you all. I need it because I'm afraid that the baby will act up if she doesn't have something to play with. So that's why I have the toy, and I have to run into CVS really quick because it's the closest one to my house to go get some batteries. And after that, we're gonna head over to the DMV. Then I need to head over to the beauty supply store and probably go get a couple of things like groceries. So I'll probably end up going to Publix, and then I'll go home, put the baby down for a nap. Then I'm going to clean the house a little bit. I'll probably have some lunch, but I'm not sure what I want to eat. So we'll have to see because again, I'm on a diet. So I don't know. I'm not prepared. I haven't meal prepped or anything. So we'll see. Okay, so that's what we're going to attempt to do. Hopefully it all works out. Okay guys, we made it to CVS. So I'm excited to go inside because I love using the CVS coupons. So let's see what we can find. So we are back and went to CVS. I got the batteries. This is the toy, the otter toy. It needed batteries, so I got some. It takes 3 batteries. So I'm gonna put it in there. It's working. I even have the screwdriver, so I'm just gonna tighten it. All right, now we're ready for the DMV. So you guys, I cannot find any parking towards the front of the lot. Yeah, I'm gonna go around the other side to see if I see any parking over there, but I doubt it because the left side didn't have anything. So let me go around here to see if there's any parking on this right side. I really doubt it though. Let's see. Yeah, no. Only parking towards the end of the lot. Yeah. So there's no parking anywhere towards the front, so I'm just gonna have to park here towards the back, get a little walk in, you know. Hey guys, I'm actually really excited. I got everything. I walked in and my number was called immediately. Like as soon as I checked in, my number was called. So I mentioned that I didn't make an appointment before, like I didn't have one because I forgot, but I ended up going back on the website and I found a available spot near the DMV that I needed to go to today. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna come today. So I kept looking back on the website to see what is the next available day for this week. They were completely booked, but I kept going back and checking, and I was able to find an available appointment for today. And I'm so glad that I did the appointment and I didn't just like thug it out and walk in, because I would have been in that lobby forever. So usually it's like forever. I'm usually waiting at the DMV forever, but when you have an appointment, you're able to just get it done quickly. So I'm never ever 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 not gonna have an appointment, you know. Even if I forget, I will stalk the website to make sure that I get an appointment. But I put it on my calendar for next year. So I got my tag renewed for 2 years and I put it on my calendar so that I can remember. So yeah, so I'm done with that. So now we're gonna head over to the hair store. I have some pep in my step. I'm so happy that I got this done. Like I always dread coming to the DMV, but now as long as you have an appointment, yes. So the baby's up. We're gonna go quickly to the hair store, quickly, maybe go to Publix and then go home. I'm not sure she'll take a nap because she took a really quick nap. We'll see. And what else? Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so hot and we have on long sleeves. So it's so hot outside. It was cold all of yesterday and cold this morning, so I put long sleeves on. The weather said it was gonna be cold today, and girl, we have on the AC. Yeah, but we're almost done. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the hair store, to the beauty supply store, get a couple of things, and then we're gonna go back home, and I'm gonna clean, let the baby nap, hopefully, maybe go on a walk. This is the book I'm currently reading. I'll leave the link down below. This is what I ended up making for dinner. It was a quick and easy recipe. I do have this full recipe up on my cooking channel, Cooking with Cassie and Family. We have new recipes on that channel every week. I will leave the link to this video and to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to Cassie Every Day. I'm getting ready now to teach a class in my local town. It's a local class, so I'm doing my makeup, and hopefully there is 3 students in the class because the class is fairly, there's really not a lot of people who know about it. It's like 1 week old. I just started the class. Well, I just started the group, and I post an event in my town. It's an online virtual event. I post an event to see if anybody would come, not thinking that anybody would come. And 3 people shows up. So I'm grateful that I get to practice. I wasn't, you know, really thinking anybody would come. I thought I would have to cancel the event because I was certain nobody would show up. But 3 people showed up or signed up. So let's see if if they all 3 show up. If none of them show up, I'll probably stay the duration of the event. So at least I can give them the freebie that I prepared for them. And yeah, so how do I look? I'm planning on taking you guys this weekend shopping with me. I'm thinking we can do some shopping, maybe go to the outlets, go to the mall, see what's new. Very nice, very girly. And yeah, so anyways, if you guys haven't subscribed to Cassie Everyday, please subscribe to the channel so that I can make more content for you guys. And I'm just gonna, what else am I gonna do? Yeah, this is it. I didn't do any foundation. You guys know I'm the queen of the 5-minute makeup. So I didn't do any foundation or anything like that. I'm just wearing this dress. It's like an off-the-shoulder situation. I thought I'd keep it in a headband. Thought I'd keep it simple because again, I don't know. And if it goes well, I might repurpose the content for YouTube. So we'll see. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I get to share some of my knowledge with people who are interested. And yeah, I'm happy about that. So anyways, this is all over the place. My thoughts are all over the place. So I think I'll just check back in with you guys after the class and let you know how it went. My little sister Dorothy just baked this cute cake. Look at it. Homemade strawberry cake. So yummy.
I need everybody to try them a plate.
So yummy. Hi, Daddy. We made a cake.
Hey, y'all. So no one showed up to my class. It was only 3 people. No one came. I ended it early because I'm like, no one's really gonna show up anyway. So I ended it early. So now I'm going to just chill for the night. My little sister's here. She baked the cake. I'm gonna show you guys that in the vlog. And yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna go to church, do a little shopping. I promise to do some shopping with you guys on this vlog. Good night. All right, let's go shopping.